What are you guys doing?
I'm reading books.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Are you going to bed?
Yeah.
What books are you reading?
Ghost.
Ghost books?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ghost.
What are you reading, Sam?
A ghost.
Wow. I thought we were going to the park.
No, no.
No, you'd rather...
No.
You're not? You'd rather read books?
We're going to the park. We're going to the park now. We're going to the park.
Okay.
I want
You'd rather do that than read Bridges of Madison County?
Yeah.
Okay.